Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual,
an online training resource for the performing arts. Have a good class.
Moving on to our next sequence, which is the Adage sequence. We're starting in first position. Arms are in second. You're just taking the foot to the front on a plie. Again, make sure your hips are even, connected to the back. We're curving, so it's the top of the head that's going to take you over. Upper back curve. You're placing that foot in front, one. Scooping that belly button in. You're going to place your foot to the side, this time with a tilt. Keep those sides nice and long so that we don't get any crunching or shortening. We're still finding space too. Going to the back, but we're taking an arch with the back. Be generous with the arms, chest, an open heart towards the ceiling. To breathe, to lengthen, pulling up, finding that supporting leg. 4, you're going to repeat. 1, you tilt. 2, we're arching. 3, breathing. 4. We're then going to rondeggiant 1, through first each time, floor pressure 2, 3. On the 4th one, you're going to brush through, take that leg forwards on a plie. You're then bringing that leg back to a nice open retire. You're going to take it through to second. Use your fondue, take that leg round to the back, bring the arms to a nice diagonal, keep the chest nice and open, squeeze into first. You're going to do it all on the left. So you've got a curve. 1, you're tilting. 2, you're arching. 3, breathing in. 4, again. 1, tilting. 2, arch on. 3, breathe through on. 4, rondeggiant. 1, 2, 3, scoop it through on a plie. 4, nice long leg, back of the leg working. Bring that leg into retire, développé out to second, then on a fondue, take it round to the back, long toes, and then squeeze into first to finish. And then if you're ready for it, we can actually reverse this whole sequence. So you'd start in an arch, you'd go to your tilt, then you'd take a curve, repeat that. You've got your arch, tilt, curve, through. So your rondeggiants would come through the other way. 1, 2, 3. This time you'd go to the back on your fondue. You'll bring that leg through to retire, développé out to second, then on a plie, bring that foot through to the front to squeeze into first. So it all reverses. Okay. Six, 7, and curve. 1, tilt. 2, arch. 3 and 4, and curve, tilt, arch, through. 1, 2, 3, brush. 4, inner thigh, second, plie, squeeze, and 1, 2, 3, breathe. 1, 2, 3, breathe through, finding first each time. 3, brush through, inner thigh, lengthen, long, reverse. 1, 2, 3, push, and 1, 2, good. Keep finding that supporting leg through first. 2, 3, floor pressure. 4, inner thigh, leg, underneath the leg, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Keep lifting on that supporting leg, brushing through to the back, inner thigh, underneath. Good.
Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for Italia Conti Virtual, online training for the performing arts.